Hi all, Blood Biker Billy here. Just popped down to KTM London just to check out the 125, thinking about getting one for my son. Yeah, not too bad. Apparently I was just talking to the guys, this is a 2023 model. So you can see the exhaust there. Springs. So yeah, this one apparently is the 2024 model. One thing I've noticed, the brake disc is on that side, on the right hand side rather than on the left, and there's no exhaust, look. No exhaust, or is it on the other side? No, it's not on the other side. Oh, the spring's there, look. So the spring's on the right side, so it's off centre. Oh, now we found the exhaust. So there you go, that is the difference. So it's hiding underneath. So yeah, this is the 2024 model apparently. So what I can see, yeah, different spring, offset. The exhaust is hidden under the bottom of the rack, and it looks like the front screen is different to the old one, a little bit different, and the brake disc is on the right hand side compared to on the 2023 model is on the left hand side by the looks of it. Anyway, this is Blood Biker Billy. Take care. Catch you soon.